Hello everybody, welcome to another SENUVO training tutorial. I hope you're all having the best day so far, I really do. My name is Daryl Anderson, and I want to thank you for being here with me, because in this training I'm going to introduce you to your own personal back office and show you some of its great features. In this part number one, I'm going to cover these things. How do you access your back office? Spoiler alert, there are 3 ways, I'll show you those. Second, I'm going to give you an overview of the dashboard and how it all works. And third, I'm going to show you how to access your ProPay card. I'm sure you want to get paid for what you do. We have found that this is the best global pay solution out there, so I'll show you how to do that. Before I jump into the information, I do want you to realize this is a custom back office. Let me say that again. We wrote this. It's unique. It's a one-of-a-kind standalone back office, and yes, we have spent hundreds of thousands of dollars to bring this to you, to provide this to you, and it's taken us some time. The great news is you have, in my opinion, one of the most responsive, one of the most complete and sophisticated back offices that exists anywhere out there. And of course, it's all yours as part of your choosing to operate an IBC with SENUVO. First thing we want to talk about is how you can access your back office. I'm going to go to the internet, to a browser I like to use, google.com. You can use any browser you choose, but you simply type in mysenuvo.com. Simple as that, mysenuvo.com, and it'll take you to the login page. A second option would be to go to a browser, type in your replicated site address, joinsenuvo.com / either your ID number or the name you're using to represent your IBC. Personally, I think the easiest way to do it is by simply going to our main corporate page. You can access it globally, senuvo.com. Go to our main corporate page, and in the far right, click on Sign In. And of course, from this page, as you know, you enter in your ID number and the unique password to you. Hit Enter, and congratulations, you are now in your back office. You're looking at the dashboard. This is what we call it, because much like a vehicle or a car, you have to get information. There are instruments and gauges that are telling you what's happening around you. Same thing in your IBC business. There's a lot going on here. This tutorial is an overview. In the other 2 upcoming tutorials, I'm going to drill down and go through the specifics of what each of these tabs mean. But for an overview, up here, your account. This is where you can track your orders, outstanding orders. This is where you manage your auto ship. You can change the profile, what people see about you out there in the public, what information there is, the replicated sites, your commission reports, that sort of thing. Below that, order now. If you need to place a new order, get in and get some new product, different product, try different things, wonderful. You can do that for yourself. You can sign up a new IBC. You can help them order. And of course, this is also where you go to take a look at your tree. I'm going to come back to the visual networks because this is really, really cool. But also you have different report capabilities, all right here as part of your dashboard. I want to make note up here in kind of the top right, that's where you go to change the language. I have it preset to English, but you can go in and change that language. So as you navigate through your dashboard, your back office, obviously it's in the language you need. This is the main page you're looking at. Let's go over to orders. I'm just going to jump onto another page just to show you at any point in your back office, if you need to get back to this page right here, all you simply do is hit the SENUVO logo in the top left. From anywhere in your back office, hit the SENUVO logo, and there you go. Back to kind of the landing page, if you will, the dashboard. A couple things I want to point out that I really, really like. This is your ASQV, your personal ASQV. That stands for Auto Ship Qualifying Volume. It's at 100%, which means I'm on auto ship, and the auto ship that I'm getting every month, it matches or it meets my QV requirements. So it's at 100% and it's blue. At any time if that changes, if you get off auto ship or something happens, that will show you that that's deficient. You need to complete that for the week, for the month, so that you can qualify for commissions and bonuses. To the right of it, my personal QV. In addition to your auto ship, if there are other products you want to buy for the month, for you, for somebody else, it will show and register right there. Additional QV volume will show in that second box. Scrolling down, you can see your current commission period. It'll list that for you. The period start date, the end date. So you can be very strategic as to what you're ordering, when to order it, what's beneficial to you, the timing of it. Please notice all times are registered in the Mountain Time Zone. That's where we are, the corporation. We had to pick a time zone that's consistent for everybody. Your auto ship info, your next auto ship run date, you can see that, the QV that's expected for that. You can click this link right here to manage your auto ship. That's a redundant link. You can also get there by clicking this, Auto Ship Manager. So it's nice to have a few different ways to get to the same place. Your current status, I'm an active IBC owner, and it'll show you that, and it'll give you an idea of what's happening. My team status. So this is showing you what's happening around you, the people that are part of your team, and you can manage that. And you can see who maybe needs a little bit of assistance, a little motivation, a little help. You can reach out to them. Maybe you're going to see them at one of the conferences or conventions, and this will allow you to kind of interact with them. Down at the bottom, your details, going through it, giving you all that valuable information that you have. Okay. Over on the right-hand side, you have links. This is a direct link to sign somebody up. This is your replicated site. Once again, we want to make sure that's always front and center, so you have that available to hand out to anyone and everyone. And this right here is your ProPay portal. The greatest way we have found to pay people globally is through the ProPay card. So I'm going to click the link right here, and let's take a look at it. It's opened up a new tab in your internet browser, and you are now on the ProPay card site. To sign up, if this is your first time, you want to sign up for that right in the middle of the page, sign up today. Click that and go through the process and get that taken care of. If you're returning, you can put in this text box, this searchable box right here, your username or whatever identifier you're using. Hit continue, and it will go into your existing account, which you can manage and see what's happening there. But again, folks, this is a fabulous way, a secure way, a very quick and easy way for us to pay our IBCs. So get in there, get that taken care of, and make sure you manage that. And the last thing I want to talk about is right over here, the visual network. Folks, this is one of the neatest things about having a custom, a responsive, a very sophisticated back office. This is going to help you to make decisions as to where to place people strategically. See the health of your organization, if you will, on the two different sides. I'm going to click on that, and let's take a look at it. You're going to notice the thing that pops up first is a little box here. It says expand all, collapse all. It's referring to this part in the middle. For my training purposes here, I've set up a test account. So this is all just manufactured information to show you the process of your real back office. So I called it test account, but that's me. As you know, you've got two people right here on your left and your right. Go over here and click expand all, and look at that. You now see your organization on all sides. It spills over my screen, so using the wheel on your mouse, you can simply shrink it or expand it by using that wheel on your mouse. You can also, if you like to see it large so you can read the font size, the print, just click and hold the graph anywhere you would like, the tree, and just move it around by clicking the left mouse button and holding it as you move it around. That way you can look at any specific spot on the tree, any one organization, any one person, and see what's happening there. So I'm going to scroll back down here. And once you've clicked one of these different organizations, I'm going to click one right here. Over on this side, it will update who that person is, who enrolled them. It's going to give you their personal and team volume that's currently happening there. And again, this is a week snapshot, so it's going to show you what's happening for that current and specific week. You also will notice that by clicking on it, it gave me two lines. There's a solid line and there's a dotted line. The solid line is what we call the Power&Airy line. The dotted line is the dashed line is the enroller line, who actually enrolled that individual. All, again, very useful, very helpful information. But going through, you can click on any one of these and it will give you the information of that specific IBC that's in your organization. Those of you who know this business, who have done it before, instantly you realize the power that this is going to provide you in helping you manage a good, strong, growing organization. Those of you who are new to this industry, fabulous. Hopefully you can get excited by understanding that we're providing you the latest and greatest, the cutting edge of things that are going to be helpful for you to be successful in your business as well. I wanted to show you that's right there at your fingertips, as is everything on your dashboard. Going back to the main page there, the main dashboard page, you just hit the SENUVO link in the top left, and you're right back to where we started. So hopefully you've enjoyed as much as I have an overview of your back office. Please join me for part 2 and part 3, where we're going to take the time to look at specific functions available to all of you. It's been my pleasure taking this time walking you through the back office, but please take confidence in knowing SENUVO is the right choice. Take confidence in knowing you're here at the right time, because now, with you and us, you can be confident great things are ahead. My name again is Darrell Anderson. It's absolutely been my pleasure. Take care of yourself. We'll see you down the road. Bye-bye.